Hey ProStylers, Mike here. So I've got some massive news for you that I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. We've got some massive updates coming out for ProStyler that you're absolutely going to love. Plus, something even cooler, we've got a brand new office. So first off, let me show you the office and then I'll jump in and show you the killer new update that's coming out for ProStyler. Let's have a look. Hey ProStylers, so here I am inside the new office and I'm looking forward to getting back in and doing more training and teaching you because that's what I love, that's what I'm passionate about, and I look forward to carrying on my journey with you. So let me tell you about some of the new features and updates inside the brand new update coming out for ProStyler. In fact, you're going to love some of the new features inside this. On top of that, we've addressed a lot of niggly bugs that were in the previous version. So let's jump straight in. Let me show you the new updates that are coming out in the next update for ProStyler. So before we get into the new features, I just want to go over the fixes. We fixed compatibility issues with the new WordPress, the WooCommerce add to cart button, we fixed that. Newsletter widget that wasn't working with Aweber code, we fixed that. Countdown elements not using the default WordPress time zone. Featured image spacing issue on custom templates. Countdown element issue on small screens. We fixed the search page because when you've done a search it didn't appear correctly in some cases. We've done some other minor fixes and improvements, and there's actually a lot more bug fixes that we've actually done. But I just wanted to go over the fixes first. Now let's move on to the brand new features. Now our very first new feature is a mock-up element. So this allows you to embed images, text, videos inside the likes of an iPhone or a laptop or a MacBook or a TV, and it's really simple to do. You can now easily copy and paste elements and rows and columns between pages. You can bulk delete elements in select mode. We've got new Google fonts, variations on elements like your heading, got typography line spacing option now for text and heading elements. We've updated Next Forms and Revolution slider. We've also got an option now to hide the WooCommerce product description on the shop page. Theme update notification and element style and live preview has been improved. So let me jump in now and actually show you how to make use of these brand new features. And we'll start with the mock-up element where you can embed images, text, videos, slideshows inside iPhones, laptops, etc. Let's jump in. Okay, so let's start with the mock-up element. So I'm just going to make a blank page template down here. I'm going to call this mock-up. I'm going to go ProStyler Builder. I'm going to insert a row. And then I'm going to insert an element. And you will find the mock-up down here called Mock-up Carousel. I'm going to select that. Now, you can actually sit there and you can put a slideshow on the top of it. So if I open this up, I can choose a solid color for the background, an image or a video. So I'm going to select video. So I'm just going to grab this link from YouTube. And I'm going to select video here, YouTube, and I'm just going to paste in the link. Bam. I'm going to put autoplay to yes, show video controls to no, mute video to yes. Now, you can have a video background and then overlay slides and build your slides up in here by just adding a new item. But I actually don't want anything over the top of the video, so I'm just going to remove the heading. And I'm going to remove the link. Okay. Now, what you need to do is you just need to flip the design. And then when it reloads, it won't load the text in the heading. So as you can see, we've got it in an iPhone. So now if I go styling, let's just make it 800. So it's a bit bigger so you can see. And of course, it's fully responsive. Bam. And let's go back to content. And these are all the different ones we can pick from. So we've got iPads, MacBooks, TV screens. So we'll pick the TV. You can see it plays nicely inside the TV. Probably should have picked a better video. We've got the laptop, MacBook Pros, you know, bam. It's all inside, all nice, all super easy. And like I said, you can also use this as a slideshow, put a heading in and your body. and then add more items. As you can see, that is a killer feature. I mean, just literally point, click, bam, and you've got a pre-made mock-up with a video or slideshow, whatever you want inside. So I'm just going to select MacBook, and I'm going to save that, and I'm going to save the page. So now if we have a look, open this in a new tab, bam, you can see we've got our video there inside the MacBook. Super easy. Okay, so let me show you the next feature that you're gonna absolutely love. So I'm just gonna go pages, all pages, and I'm gonna go to the About Us page. Now you're gonna see this brand new option up here called Select Mode. And what this allows you to do, this allows you to select the rows and columns that you want to copy. So you hold Control, and then you can just go through and say, right, I want this one, I want this one, I don't want that one, but I want the footer, bam, like so. And then you just click Copy Elements, then turn off Select Mode. Now if I add a new page, and I type in here, new page, click ProStyler Builder, then I insert a row. Up in the top right here, if I just right click and click paste, and then I paste it in here, click add, you can see it's copied all of our rows. So then we can just pull it out where we want it in the page, bam bam. So say I want that one above, that one above as well, and then I can delete that. Bam, there we have. We've just copied and pasted certain parts from a page to a brand new page. So that is going to save you a ton of time. Now another thing we can do is we can click on Select Mode, and then we can delete bits we don't want. So say I don't want that, and I don't want this footer. Hold Control and just click Delete 8 elements. 8 elements deleted. Turn Select Mode off, and as you can see, they've gone. Okay, so now I'm going to show you another cool little update we've got, which is we've done a few big changes to the head and text elements and stuff like that. So I'm just going to click Insert Element, and I'm going to select Heading. I'm going to type in here ProStyler Revelation brand new update. Okay, and then I'm going to go to Styling. So I'm just going to select a custom font. I'm going to select the Google font. And I'm going to select, I don't know, let's say Open Sans. Now usually under attributes here we'd only have bold, normal and italic. Just increase the size on that. Now we've got every style that it comes in. So you've got like ultra light. If I change that to white, so ultra light. Then you've got like book italic, book. So whatever font weights and styles you can get that font in, you can now use in ProStyler. Now the other thing we've got is line height. So if I make this ridiculously big for a minute, you can see here that we can adjust the line height. So if I put the line height to 10, you can see it'll cram all the text. But if I set it to 100, let's go a bit more, 150, more, 250, bam. We can adjust the line height, as you can see. So we can go 500, and that will double the space between the text. Bam. Now, we've also updated WooCommerce, so you can disable showing the descriptions on your products. So in the ProStyler theme options, just go down to WooCommerce, and you will see a new box here that says show description of items, and you can turn that on or off with a toggle. And if we also go to typography in the ProStyler theme options, you can now set a default font style and weight. We've added like all the different styles that you've just seen in the heading element inside here as well. So as you can see with the brand new mockup element, the ability to easily copy and paste between rows, the overhaul we've done on typography so that you've got far more control over how your typography looks, the WooCommerce product description that you can now hide, all of the bug fixes that we've done. You can see that this update is going to improve your workflow and allow you to create even more advanced designs. So I hope you enjoy this update. This update is going to be out over the next few days. With that said, thanks for your support as always. If you haven't yet upgraded your license to get 12 month support and updates, I'll put a link to that below. Because as you remember, last month I told you that ProStyler support, free updates and free support ended the 31st of January. So to get this update and to continue getting updates and to get support, remember to purchase the ProStyler update and support package below. Now, I have got so much more coming for you, ProStyler, so you want to keep your eyeballs on them emails that I send you, because you're going to be seeing a lot from me. So with that said, ProStylers, thanks for your time, thanks for your support. Speak to you soon.